You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this tennis player, Croatian tennis player, as well as how to say more names from tennis. There are many mispronounced, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel in Croatian. For reference, it is said as Marin Čilić, Marin Čilić. So Marin Čilić is how you say it. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.